Hey, good morning, remote learners. This is Dr. Shivers. I'm here for your morning announcements. Today is a new month. It's Tuesday, December the 1st. It's a STEM day. We have some winners from our Cooking Week challenge that was last week. Congratulations to these students. Emma and Allison made an entire Thanksgiving meal that included ham steaks, sweet potato casserole, and several more things. Great job, Paul family. Zoe made some sugar cookies that were decorated to look like turkeys. Such good skill there. Jonah had an idea to mix two different kinds of juices to make the devil's mix, which sounded kind of good. Lacey made several different goodies. Good work, Lacey. And then Michael made this amazing chocolate and peanut butter, and Stephanie made pumpkin cake. So there's several others that are on the Padlet. Congratulations to our winners. We are excited to have you continue to be making some great things for your families and friends. Speaking of families and friends, it is our Traditions Week, and we want you to share any traditions that you do, and that is due next Monday at 12:30. Go ahead and write and share in detail about your traditions. We will pick some random winners, and this is the address where you can go. It's padlet.com/lshivers/120720. So we want to encourage everyone to try to do that. One tradition at our house that connects to our cooking week is food. We love to make all kinds of things. We've been making a lot with pomegranates. It's kind of a fruit that has all these little berries. If you haven't tried a pomegranate, I encourage you to do so. We make this really cool idea that James came up with, bacon inside of our pancakes. So it's a really great one. Not everything turns out quite like we'd like. So you can see the face when we try something that we might not like. And then we also, one of our traditions is trying to help out others. So they have a thing called the Common Table, and James is a great volunteer to help with that. We encourage all of you to find a way to give back this season. Hope you have a great day learning, everyone. Keep up all your great work, and I will see you around soon. Stay brave, creative, and strong, my friends.